Well, it's February 11th or 10th or something. It's freezing cold here in Michigan. It's about 30 degrees outside. Lots of snow on the ground. Figured it's a good day to go rip the RZR. So I'm gonna head out back, run the power line, see how far I can get. Hopefully every bit of ice and everything is all froze up. Won't have to worry about getting too wet. It's pretty cold outside, and last time I was out there, every bit of water that splashed up pretty much froze right to my face, so I'm hoping that doesn't happen again. So give it a shot. Well, we're gonna see how well it starts up. It's about 30 degrees out. Just check the weather. Haven't run it in like 2 or 3 weeks now. Gotta push in the brake pedal. Battery's still got a good charge. Perfect. Let's do it, Parrot. There's my rut. Kind of hard to see. There's a lot of water. Both farm fields, this farm field kind of flows that way, and that one kind of flows this way, and they just kind of meet in the middle right there, and it's always muddy. It never dries out back here. Normally it'll ice over though, and you can have some fun, but it's still early, I guess. All that snow blanket on top is kind of insulating it. Well, it's muddy, it's wet, it's muddy, and just as I didn't want, frozen mud. Not a big deal, but a lot harder to wash off when it's frozen to it, and it doesn't get very warm outside to take it off, but we'll make do. I'm going to set you guys up, drive past you real fast, and see what happens. Hopefully I don't fall through the ice.